Hello and welcome to Update 1 on what is currently Category 1 Tropical Cyclone Riley, currently at 80 miles an hour with a pressure of 970 millibars, currently at 16.9 degrees south, 117.1 degrees east as of 5 a.m. UTC on January the 26th. You can see convection dying down there. Still a Category 1 on the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. No CDPS scale rating has been given to the storm though at this time. So here are the distances between the following locations: from Karratha, 209 miles, from Broome, 248 miles, from Marble Bar, 261 miles, from Exmouth, 353 miles, and from Newman, 377 miles away. No watches or warnings are in effect. The Bureau of Meteorology for Australia has cancelled all warnings for the storm, as it is no longer expected to track in the general direction of Australia. You can see that in the model guidance right here. You can see it right here as the system does move out. This is the ECMWF. It does a good job of representing what the system is going to do. We're about 3 days out at this point, and it's almost out of the picture completely. Not really something that needs to be worried about. Here we are with sea surface temperatures. You can see in the yellows there, those are less favorable, and the oranges being much more favorable, around 30 degrees Celsius, and then those oranges in between the dark orange and the yellow are around the borderline between that 26 degrees Celsius mark. Here is what the winds are looking like. Tropical storm force winds are indicated by the ECMWF, as it does tend to underestimate intensity by a little bit. But either way, you can see the weakening trend of the storm, and it's still going to be out of the picture within the next 3 days or so. So, here are the chances of tropical storm winds in Karratha. 40% chance of some tropical storm force wind gusts. In Broome, 0%. Marble Bar, 0%. In Exmouth, 25% chance of a few tropical storm force wind gusts, but sustained winds are very unlikely. And then in Newman, 0% of any tropical storm force winds at all. So here we are with the intensity. This is what the intensity is looking like. Looks like it's going to be sustaining itself over the next day or so before a weakening trend does begin. Wind shear, as you can see, is going to be going up rather drastically over the next day or so. And the track is also very tightly condensed, a very well agreed upon track for the storm. Not going to hit Australia anytime soon. Sea surface temperatures are gradually going to be going down for the storm as well. And relative humidity also gradually going to be tapering off for the storm. So let's take a deeper look into the satellite imagery. This is what we're looking at right now. The storm currently losing its convection by quite a bit. I wouldn't be surprised if this is downgraded to a tropical storm by the next official advisory. It really has started to look a lot worse as of recently. Thank you so much for watching. This is Thomas Schwinn from Force 13 signing off.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.